Our bird, the artist.
Alright, I brought it back. I take it away, he gets fussy about it. You know, I can almost make out shapes in this thing. It can be bad when you're creating little artistic pieces, bird.
Maybe you're bad.
But my arm does get tired after a while. So let's do this. Let's save this one down. Let's start a new one up.
A Parrot Picasso.
Landscape mode. See what he thinks about that.
No picking.
Castle. There you go. I need to throw me grabbing his face again. Alright, he's definitely getting creative. So I just want to make bird. I don't think you can force him on it. I mean, it's creativity. You can't turn him on and off like a faucet. So, alright, he's done.